Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up PayPal as payment option in Jimdo website. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to jimdo.com and you'll be greeted with a screen looking something like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Jimdo. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel, where we have plenty of how to Jimdo videos, where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official website of Jimdo, where you have a lot of things to do. So a successful business needs a professional website. Here guys, on the left, you have your you have some website builders, useful tools for your website, and your for your industry, something that you can do, so portfolio, coaches, etc. You here have also the online store, where you can see our online store builder, useful tools for your store, and you have business tools, where you can see a logo for your business, more useful tools, etc. Here you have a knowledge guide, of course, and the help center, where you can go and ask them any question that you actually have. And here you have some things about your profile, where you have your dashboard and where you can log out of your profile. When you make your website, it will look something like this, guys. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up a PayPal as a payment option in Jimdo website. You can click Edit to enter the website edit mode, and in the menu go to Store, then go to Settings, and then when you're here, so basically you need to go to Store, then go to Settings, and there you will need to go and check out the PayPal in the options for payment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.